Be honest. How many things did you eat today that came in a plastic wrapper, a box, a bag with 47 ingredients you can't pronounce? That's not food. That's an industrial science experiment. And it's called ultra-processed food, or UPF for short. Over 70% of the stuff in a typical US grocery store? Yeah, that's UPF. And it's making you sick, tired, and hungry. Literally all the time. Today, I'm going to break down what UPF actually is, why the food industry loves it, and how to spot it before it wrecks your health. Let's go. What is ultra-processed food? First, forget what you think processed means. Cutting an apple is processing. Grilling chicken is processing. That's fine. Ultra-processed is a whole different beast. It's when you take real food, corn, wheat, soy, milk, and break it down into chemical goo, starches, sugars, seed oils, protein isolates. Then you reassemble it into something that looks and tastes amazing, but has zero nutritional value. Then you add artificial colors, emulsifiers to make it creamy, flavors to trick your brain, and preservatives so it survives a nuclear winter. Examples? Pop-Tarts, instant ramen, chicken nuggets, flavored yogurt with candy pieces, most protein bars, plant-based fake meats, and yes, your favorite ranch dressing from a bottle. Why the food industry loves them? Now, why does every company shove this stuff down our throats? 3 reasons. 1, it's cheap. Corn and soy are subsidized by your tax dollars, turning them into hyper-palatable junk costs pennies. 2, it lasts forever. A Twinkie can sit on a shelf for 2 years. Real bread gets mold in 5 days. Which one do you think Walmart loves? 3, and here's the evil part. It's engineered to be addictive. Not tasty, addictive. You know that can't eat just one feeling with Doritos? That's not willpower, that's science. They design the crunch, the salt, the fat, the sugar melt to hit your brain's reward system like a slot machine. One study showed that Oreos activate the same brain region as cocaine in rats. And guess what? The rats liked Oreos more.